Hi guys, this is Lily again, and now I'm standing in our semi-closed greenhouses. And then in this greenhouse, we are planning to grow the tomato. And in this greenhouse, we put the steel gutter systems to grow the tomato. And this steel gutter system is very good strength and it have very good stronger structures. Whatever we can put hanging on the structure, or we also can put it on the ground. And for this one, you can see this is the hanging gutters here because we are planning to put a, a wing tube under these steel gutters because the wings tube will be connected with our semi-closed systems, and that systems will control the proper temperature through this wind tube. So we will show you this a few weeks or maybe a few weeks later. And yesterday we just put the cocoa peat bag on this steel gutter, and I want to show some pictures of this steel gutter for you. Firstly, this gutters is the steel materials, and it covered by some rust resistant materials for the coating. So it performs very well for the rusting resistance, and also we can make it a very good slope for the drainage after the dripping irrigations, and the water will flow properly along the gutters and out. It will keep the growing environment is very with very good ventilation down the roots, and and because it has the proper drainage performance, so it can make more oxygen for the cocoa peat to grow the roots for the tomatoes. So it can increase the yield properly, and it can give the healthy roots for the tomato plants. Actually, we have some clients in the island countries, and they have very hot temperature and high humidity, and previously they cannot grow very good tomato qualities in their countries, and then we introduced this steel gutter system for them, and change all the new greenhouse with better ventilation functions, and new model greenhouses. It helped them to increase the yield and the tomato quality properly. So now this system is very popular for many long-life crops growing greenhouses, and we will show you a few weeks later, because we will move the seedling inside the cocoa peat bag. So welcome you to watch our video next time. See you. Bye.